Hello everyone, my name is Fabian Quintero Gaona. I'm a student of medicine on the second semester, and I see an signature that is medical informatics, and I'm going to talk about the second partial, and it's about the investigation methods around to medical informatics, and I'm going to start. The first time is the scientific method, and it's a systematic and organized approach to scientific research. And I have that is some problem solving. The second one is a data research, and we have two different teams. The first one is alphabetic, and the second one is the team. And then we have the scientific writing, and we have four different topics: introduction, methods, results, and discussion or conclusion. And we base in the precision, in the clarity, and the brevity. About the bibliography, we have that is a list of the all sources you consult while writing your paper, and you can create your source author for the research they conduct. And an example is the first one is about the Vancouver site. Then we have the Vancouver method, and they are not as such because the consensus of the standard was carried out in Vancouver, Canada in the 1978. Created a uniform style for the manuscript of medical journals, and this is a typical method that actually we have is in the health profession is the method that we use. Then we have the Harvard method, was created by Harvard University in the 50s, and is used to cite and reference to academic works. And we cite within the text with the last name of the author and date of publication. Okay, why can we preparation of a writing work? And four different scenarios. The first one is the delimited topic, the second information collection, organization of information, draft writing, draft review, and finally we have the preparation of the final report, when you have the final job that you are going to give to the professor. Then we have the biostatic and epidemiology. We have that epidemiology is the branch of the public health, which purposes to describe and explain the dynamics of public population health. It's a population the topic, and when you are going to review the different pathologies in the general social. And the biostatic although is used to determine the sample size when you have to determine the population, the amount of the different groups social, you can use the biostatics. And now we have the informatic tools for the medicine. It's an important thing. We have the digitized bibliography. It's a collection of files such as books, audios, videos, image and audio books that exist in digital format. What is the aims? Promotion digital culture and all as to the all information in general. And we have the medical videos to medical issues in the medical profession, including research advance. And if you investigate medical videos, you are going to advance into the progress into the future. And we have the medical educational software, are teaching programs that use digital platforms to support both teachers and students, and it's an important tool to with the students and to the professor to advance in the class or the information that you are going to use. And the different kinds, we have the problem solving, we have the practice and exercise, we have the different type of game, and also we have to simulation a different information. and the medical update. For why we have the medical update? For renewal of concept in the treatment of medicine is important with the patient need to treatment about the pathology and making the current paradigm of accurate diagnosis. We have three attributes to be a good doctor. The first one is a passion and empathy. A good doctor need to be honesty and to be ability to accept the ignorance about the disease when they have to recognize that if you don't know about a pathology, you can talk with another partner to communicate about that, and you can give a diagnosis with more opportunity. And the clinical method, why formulate the problem, primary information, formulate hypothesis, presentation of results, institution of therapy, and a treatment of the patient, basically, and the presentation and evaluation of the final results. And we have the medical portal, it's an electronic journal, and we have the scientific knowledge and cultivation, different education in the various specialties. Discussion forums is a space when you can discuss or communication about different topic about the health with another partners in another country or in the same city. Medical news groups. This means about the communication is with different users and send message between servers. And we have mailing list. It's a system that distributes message to a group of people who shares a common interest. In this case, the common interest is the health, is the medicine. The teleconference is a communication between several people that is maintain a distance and considering when you are in a country and you can have a teleconference with a partner in the other country. It's an important tool in this actuality. The teleconference service, we have the conference call, an audio conference, an audiographic teleconference, video conference, and video telephony. What is the e-health? E-health are tools that are used in the health environment in terms of prevention, diagnosis, treatment, monitoring, as well as in the health management. And why? To give a treatment to the patient, saving costs for the health system, improving its effectiveness. And we have 6 components. We have the electronic medical record, the telehealth, mHealth, standardization and interoperability, continuing education in the technology. This is an important thing. And we have the e-learning. It's a progress is continue and learning about the thing. In this case is the medical and prevention about the diagnosis in the pathologist. How is the e-health in Colombia? Well, in historic we have that in the 27, the nation regional entities will promote the first one, the telemedicine service. In the 29, the principles and concepts on the information we are society. In the 2010, the guidelines for the development of telehealth in Colombia will survive. And finally, the conclusion is that at the present, the use of computer tools in the health sector has become necessary when it becomes to guarantee a quality service to the patient. Is the important, the patient is the here. Care has enormous requirement and is well reported. But if it's done in training with the biostatic and epidemiology, and we have the communication tools, it receives an addition in the precision and quality that can be provided to the patient. The patient does and advance and progressive when we are use the technology. All these changes are by virtue of advance and progress in use care. The use of TIC provides benefits such as improved coverage and automation. For example, in a clinic, software can be created to processing make the results more accurate in less time. It's effective. It's important. Advance in the care of the patients. And finally, I finished. Thank you.